I'ma head out then.
And I made it look better.
You been busy over there, ain't you, man?
Huh?
You been busy over there, ain't you?
Yes, sir.
That's the best way to be.
Hey, man, I'd rather stay busy.
Yeah.
I would rather stay busy. If you're not busy, you ain't making money. That's the way I look at it.
This is not this emergency broadcast system announcing that may God be with you all.
It didn't heat it up real bad either. Last time it was heating up, wasn't it heating up last time?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Because the pork was choking the subs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, let's pop the hatch.
Let's
You
check
can
it out.
feel the subs.
That truck's clean right there, boy.
No clue if you remember me.
I remember you.
White Sonoma, single 18. At first we didn't want to get in. You posted it on your channel
Last year?
Oh, damn, man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
That's warmer than
that's
warmer than
Somebody said something about that.
That's normal. That's
Like
normal.
1 sub. I said, yeah, that was it. That was it.
That's warmer than 2 12 case worth.
I know it was 12 or 10.
12.
12.
I wish I was that loud on 10. Yeah. It is Ford Box Tundo 46.
You got it looking
Just
good.
because of the small area.
Need a bigger port?
Nah, I'm good on that.
You know what?
I don't think I need a big one.
I got something you can check out.
What you got?
My subs ain't played.
Let's go check it out. I can walk around if it ain't playing.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.